Vivo is expected to unveil a new S series of smartphones in May in China as successors to the Vivo S30 and S20 Pro, which debuted in December 2024. A recent report revealed that the company will launch the successor edition as the S30 series and not S21. Digital Chat Station released a Weibo post to reveal key details of what appears to be the Vivo S30 Pro Mini handset. The S30 series compact smartphone may have Pro Mini, possibility that the device may arrive with the Vivo S30 Pro Mini marketing name. Vivo S30 Pro Mini will feature a 6.31-inch flat screen that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a 1.5K resolution. The device will have an LTPO OLED panel. Powering the device will be an upcoming chip dubbed the Dimensity 9400E. S30 Pro Mini will have a 50-megapixel selfie camera. The rear camera setup will comprise a 50-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini is rumored to debut in May. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.